morning, everybody. It's Friday, May 6th. In today's paper, we have a story on the Minnesota Student Survey, which is being discussed at the Minnesota legislature. Some people feel that it's too intrusive. So there's some language in the omnibus education bill that's going through the House and the Senate right now. You have to read about that. And we wanted to remind people about the Vince Herding Fishing Derby. It's a youth fishing derby. It's going to be over at Kidder Dam from 8 to noon Saturday morning, so be sure to check that out. Next up is the rest of the newsroom.
Good morning. The North Dakota State College of Science dedicated its Heckner Student Center yesterday with members of the Heckner family in attendance. Also, NDSCS celebrated its annual Agawasi Days, providing a carnival for students and friends alike. And finally, Wahpeton City Enhancement Organization continues to make further preparations for its 150th birthday celebration, scheduled for 2019. Read all about it.
Hi everybody, today in sports we have coverage of Breckenridge head coach Tyler Borman accepting the head coaching position at Moorhead High School, so congratulations to Tyler, you'll be missed in Breckenridge. And also we have coverage of BW softball, Wahpeton baseball, and Wahpeton tennis, so make sure to check it out.
Good morning everyone, it's Wednesday, April 4th.
May 4th.
Good morning, everyone. I forgot the date. I have to say the date, don't I? That's part of this responsibility of this desk. Okay, yeah. Sorry.
And, we had one more thing. Oh, tennis. That's what it was.